Hello everybody, welcome to today's video from Acorn and Oak, and it's another ATC Thursday. Today we're going to be doing a watercolour background. I have some cardstock here and I've cut it 3.5 by 7.5, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to squidge some of this, and these are my Distress ink oxides. I'm just going to squidge this on, and then we're going to spray it with water, and then we're going to submerge the paper into the ink. And I've got a couple here because obviously I didn't want to waste this ink. So this will work out to be 3, 6, 9 ATC backgrounds. So let me just dry off this piece of plastic, which is what I do this kind of work on. Dry that off. And this is just one of those large self-seal bags, or push seal bags. Okay, I'm going to use my heat tool to dry these. Okay, I'm going to put those to one side because I'm going to be using these, but that gives me backgrounds to use later. I'm now going to cut this piece of paper into ATC length. So it's 2.5 by 3.5. Make sure that I got that right. 2.5. Yep. So that's 1, 2, and 3. I've got my cardboard ATC bases, and I'm going to stick these on. I'm just going to use the art glitter glue for that. Now I've got the same inks out, and I've got my ink pads that go with them. We're going to ink their edges. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be using is cracked pistachio. I'm going to go around the edge. And then the blue is broken china. And the purple is wild violet. I love this purple. Purple's one of my all-time favorite colors. Now, I'm going to use some stickers, I think. I see this and I think of ocean, so I think I'm going to use some of my ocean themed water stickers. Now I've had these for ages, and I just want to use what I've got. You know, start using what's in my stash. Going to take it apart and use what I want to use in the places I want to use them. Now I love this big octopus here. I think I just may use the octopus on its own. Okay, so I'm liking that. Now I think I've got some Tim Holtz what do you call them? The Ideology. So let's see what I can, what phrases I can come up with. So we have the word embark, adventure. So I'm going to find embark on an adventure. On an, there's an. Now we need an on. Okay, there we go. So I think I'm going to have that one on this, on the what do you call him? On the, I can't think what it's called, crafters. Octopus. I just had it a while ago. So I'm going to put some art glitter glue on the back. So embark on an adventure. Okay, the next one I'm going to do embrace what is different. Now we've just got to find the word embrace. I think we're going to have that one on here. So we're going to have embrace. What is different? Then this one we're going to have a lifetime together. So a lifetime together. Now I have a silver pen and I think I'm going to do some, or maybe not a silver pen, maybe I could use some, pens. This is my nautical themed tub, as you can see. And a lot of this is from when I used to have my store, but I'm sure you'll be able to find things like this in your craft stores, or something similar at least. Just found this in my stash, crafters. This is Jolie's Boutique. I want to use some of these as air bubbles. Okay, crafters, I think I'm going to call that those done. So let me just bring them up to the camera. That one, and that one. So thank you very, very much for joining me, and I will see you again very, very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.